Too much Christmas? Y'all laughing at me, aren't you? I can tell you laughing at me.
Here, Soph.
Sophie, do you want to get up and have Christmas with us?
Sophie.
Sophie likes the electric blanket.
Present.
Sophie, get your bone. Get a treat.
Look,
get a treat.
Your bone. Mama got you present.
Oh, we'll bring it over here.
Bring it over.
Look at Opie. Opie's already up here. Opie, this one's yours.
Busy bone. Oh, a busy bone.
Well, get it to me. Oh, I think I want to play fetch.
Get back up there.
Busy bone.
Opie's looking for.
Okay. Sit and hold it all day.
Opie, did you get yours? I don't know what to do with it.
There, got his butt in the air eating it.
Yep.
Sophie won't eat hers, so he eats his all.